Yes, absolutely. In my city, there are plenty of restaurants offering food from various countries, such as Japanese sushi, Italian pasta, and Middle Eastern kebab. I think this is because my city is quite multicultural and attracts many tourists. So, the demand for international food is high. Really, if I'm craving food from another country or hanging out with friends outside, then I'll buy it. For example, I go to a Japanese restaurant because I like ramen. I think trying food from different cultures is really enjoyable. Yes, I have. I once tried making spaghetti carbonara at home after watching a cooking video. I wanted to experience cooking it myself, and it turned out pretty well. I enjoy learning how other countries prepare their dishes. I would definitely recommend rendang, a traditional Indonesian beef dish. It's slow cooked with coconut milk and various spices, giving a rich and unique flavor. It was even named one of the most delicious foods in the world. So I think people would love it. I'd like to talk about the law that bans single-use plastic bags in supermarkets and stores in my country. This law was introduced by the local government in 2020 as part of an effort to reduce plastic waste and protect the environment. It was mainly initiated by the Ministry of Environment in cooperation with environmental organizations. Before this law used plastic bags or almost everything, which caused a serious waste problem, especially in rivers and oceans. Now, people are encouraged to bring reusable bags when they shop. I think this law is very good idea because it has raised public awareness about environmental issues. It also forces people to be more responsible and think about their consumption habits. Since it was introduced, I've noticed that more people bring cloth bags or baskets to the market. These small changes can have a big impact to reducing pollution and protecting nature for future generations. Most schools have rules about punctuality, wearing uniforms, and respecting teachers and classmates. There are also rules about not using mobile phones during class and keeping the school environment clean. I think rules are essential because they create a safe and organized environment for students to learn. Without rules, there would be chaos, and it would be difficult for teachers to manage the classroom. It depends to the seriousness of the rule being broke. For minor mistakes, a warning should be enough, but for repeated or serious violations, schools could involve parents or assign community service within the school to each responsibility. Many students choose law because it offers a stable career and the opportunity to make a difference in society. Some are inspired by desire to fight for justice or help people solve problems. A successful lawyer needs strong communication skill, critical thinking, and the ability to work under pressure. They must also be ethical and have a strong sense of justice. Yes, I agree. Lawyers often handle complex cases with tight deadlines. They also need to prepare a lot of documents and sometimes work late hours. However, despite the stress, the job can be very rewarding.